Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Fire model and Android build, so you download compatible APKs. This avoids version conflicts. Next, enable apps from unknown sources for the browser or file manager you'll use. This lets the installer run. Once done, make sure the tablet is charged above 50% and on steady Wi-Fi to prevent interruptions, because downloads can stall and corrupt files. Now open the Silk browser and get ready to fetch 4 specific APK files in order. You will download 4 APKs in sequence: Account Manager, Services Framework, Play Services, then Play Store. The order matters because dependencies install correctly. After each download, tap the notification to install and accept the permission prompts. Some require access to storage or account data. If an install is blocked, revoke unknown sources retry, then restore the flag. Once all 4 are installed, reboot the tablet so Android initializes Google services. You finish by signing into Google Play, enter your Google credentials, and let account sync complete. This registers the device. If Play Store prompts for updates, accept them so Play Services runs correctly. If the store crashes or won't open, clear cache and data for Google Play Services, then reboot. This often cures launch loops. If problems persist, uninstall the most recently added APK, download a version that matches your Android build, and reinstall. Matching versions is the usual fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.